Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing good today. We wanted to check in with you today. This is Wednesday, and we want to let you know that we're doing fine and that we do have preparations made for the weather that's coming our way. Quite a few of you have been sending us emails and messages telling us to be watching for it. But we've been hearing about it. We know all about the weather they're predicting, and they're saying that it's possibly going to be either a lot of snow or a lot of ice. In our particular area, they're predicting 1 to 1.5 inches of ice.
Oh my.
Now, if we do get ice, it could be a problem with the power going off. But if we get a lot of snow, that's a problem also.
Especially, and also wind.
Yeah, and the area that we live in, we don't get a lot of that very often. So when it happens, it just takes a little bit of snow, and it basically shuts the whole town down. So we're sort of used to that. But the main thing that we want to do today is let you know we've been watching all the weather forecasts, so we know what's coming. We've already prepared. Marie and I went yesterday and made sure that we had all the medicines that we needed. We double-checked our pantry to see if there's anything that we needed. And there was a few things that we did need that we wanted to be sure we had, just in case if we get snowed in or if the power goes off for several days. There's certain things that we like to have. And so we got them. One of them was our Coke Zero. We had not been able to get Coke Zero on our last Walmart pickup order. So we made a special run yesterday and got us some Coke Zero.
Yeah, it's hard to get the decaf, and that's the kind that we use. But you can always just about get the other Coke Zero.
Yeah, they always have regular.
Yeah.
But decaffeinated hard to find. But anyway, we are prepared, and we just want to make sure that you are watching the weather where you live at. If it's coming toward you, be sure you're prepared, got everything set up. We do plan on staying at our house. We do have an alternate heat source, so if the electricity goes off, we will be able to stay warm. We got plenty of lights. We got plenty of battery banks that we can use to keep things lit up and keep our telephone and everything charged up. But now we will not be able to use internet. So if the power goes off, our internet will most likely be dead. And the only way I could give an update to you would be I'd have to use my telephone and record it and upload it with my phone. So what we're going to do, our plan is we're going to go ahead and try to do Sunday chat a day early. We're going to record it on Friday instead of Saturday, but we're still going to post it for Sunday morning. So you'll see it at the same time, but we're going to make it a day early. If we do get some bad weather, I am going to do a couple of updates and talk to you and just let you know how things are going and how we're doing, and just check in with you. And we'll try to keep those short, but just so you'll know what's going on.
They've always predicted, that this was going to happen and that was going to happen, and it never happened. So I'm just waiting to see what happens.
And that's the way it usually goes. But I think most of us that's our age remember the storm of 1993 that come through. They called it the blizzard of 93, and it was a doozy.
Yeah.
We had on the back here where snow had piled up against the sliding glass doors there, it was 18 inches deep. And now we didn't have that much snow out in the yard. It's probably only about 10 inches deep out there. But it had blowed up to the thing, and it was 18 inches.
Yeah.
And it was bad. Our power was off for 10 days. Our water was out for about 6 of those 10 days. And it was a mess. It completely shut down the whole city of Rome. But we survived. We didn't have any problems. We knew what to do, and we knew how to take care of ourselves. We're a little bit older this time, but we still know what to do and we know how to do it, don't we, Marie? So
Yeah.
I think we're going to be fine. Our son and his wife and family live right next door to us, and they do have a fireplace in their house. And if we need any physical help whatsoever, our son and grandson both can be down here in just a matter of a minute. So we have help if we need it, don't we?
Yeah.
And then I think we're going to be fine. I don't think there's going to be anything that we can't handle. Let's put it that way. Because we do prep ahead of time. We've got plenty of things to be prepared.
And if there is, then we have somebody that is taking care of us named Jesus, and he can handle anything we can't.
Amen on that. Okay, so we just want to check in with you. I know this is going to be a quick little video and let you know we're fine. We're going to keep you updated through this storm, but we want to make sure that you take your preparations and keep an eye on the weather and take care of yourself also. Marie, after we stop recording this video here, you plan on doing a little cooking video. Do you want to tell them anything about that?
Yes, it's just a 3-ingredient cake that I'm going to be making for Calvin, and I'm just going to see if it's going to be good. It's going to be like a really test because I don't know how gluten-free cake mix is going to turn out, but I'm going to do the recipe, and I'll be truthful with you. If it's good, I'll tell y'all to make it, but you can use regular cake mix for y'all that are not gluten intolerant. But Calvin is, but I wanted to make this especially for him so he could have something to snack on during this cold weather we're about to have.
That'll be perfect, Marie.
Yeah, and then Tuesday, it's going to be, I think, 13 degrees when I have to go to the doctor's again for my colon specialist. And so I'm not looking forward to that much. But anyway, especially since we got to get up early.
Yeah, we got to be there at 8 o'clock in the morning that day. So it's going to be real early. Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and close this video out. Marie's going to get started making the cake. And I'll try to post the cake video tomorrow and let you know how that turned out. But y'all have a great evening, and like I said, y'all stay prepared and just keep a watch on the weather, and we'll keep you updated how we're doing. So, Marie, I'll let you close it for us.
Okay. Personally, I don't know what the weather's going to be. I'm kind of skeptical, but we'll just see. Sometimes it doesn't go down far as they say it is, and sometimes, they hit it right on. So we'll just wait and see how good they are this time. So, okay, I guess we're going to close our video out now, unless Calvin has anything to say. All right, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening, and we'll see you on the next video, and y'all stay warm and safe. Bye.
Hey, everyone. I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And we hope everyone is ready for this big storm that's coming our way. The weather forecasters have really been blowing it up, talking about how big this ice storm's going to be. And, it's going to have everybody worried to death. I ain't going to do that. How you want me to start?
I don't know. You're the one that wanted to do it. You just do it your way.
Okay, let's start over again. Okay, you ready? Big smile. Hey, everyone. I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie, and I hope everyone has their milk and their bread and all of their supplies ready for the ice storm that's coming to Georgia.
Okay.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice.